Adare Chandrama kind of.
I like
Ah,
that.
like
that.
Adare
Correct.
Chandrama.
But that's not
It's
Adar.
not.
It was मैं तो आरती उतार दो रे.
Ah,
Santoshi Mata.
Santoshi Maka.
But Santoshi Mata also in that. Somebody requested for a song called Kannana Kanne, which Geeta requested for Kannana Kanne, and I should
It
thank
says low battery.
who was the person who sent me to record that. Tanay Gajjar from Bombay.
Change
So
the
thank
black.
you for that, for giving me that opportunity.
Yes, Sachin.
ಇದಲ್ಲ
Oh, Allah. Sorry.
ಅದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
This became very famous because it was used in this film called Viswasam by the great hero, what's his name? Ajit. Yeah. And the song has been sung by Sid Sriram, but nobody compliments me for the guitar anymore. The moment somebody sings, yeah. So in there I have played a piece in that which is not exactly in this raga.
That is a mix
That's played in the film. When the song was recorded, that time I was not, means the tune of Sid Sriram's lyrics were not there. It was the music director had sent it to me only as ta na 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 ta na na only. The tune was only that much for me. So when I went to record, I did not have an idea that it will become this song. And then many couple of months later, this song released, and then somebody called me from Chennai and said, "Oh, Prakash, I thought I heard you," and then I said, "Okay." This music director didn't send it to me at all, but he had acknowledged me. He made a video. That because of that reason, people got to know. And then after that, I have been playing the slide guitar for many years before that also. But after that, suddenly now they would ask, "Oh, you played in Kannada." The value becomes
very
more.
good. I haven't heard anyone else playing so beautiful. I think I've heard it 100 times. Not once or twice.
ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ವೋಕಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಲಿ ಹೈ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜಿಬಲ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾರಿಸಿದ್ರೇನು ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇವನ್ ನಾವು 90% ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿದ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. They won't know that it is my song also. Sid Sriram on his own will never tell it is Prakash Bhatt again. Now, I'm being nice and I'm saying Sid Sriram. I'm not saying somebody sang it. But vocalists will always say, yeah, somebody must have played. I don't know who it is.
ಚೈತ್ರ ಏನಮ್ಮ ನೋ ರಿಬಟಲ್.
I have
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ
one
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
comment,
he's
one
talking about.
statement. I don't know if Geeta has heard this. Guruji would say that voice is the instrument made by God.
Being an instrumentalist's wife, she's saying things like
That is told by the Guruji to me. I'm quoting Guruji.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೇಮರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
The hand that plays the instrument is made by God.
ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗಾನ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸಾಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಸನ್ ಬೈ ಪೂಜಾ ಭಟ್. And it was such a tragedy listening to Pooja Bhatt.
Correct.
ನನ್ನ ಗಿಟಾರ್ ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಾನೇ ಬಾರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಮ್ ಗುಜರಾತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಾಮ್ಲೀಲಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್? ಮೋರು ಮನಿ ತನ ಗಾತ ಪರಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ. Using this one, the Baramati. No, that you sing later. First you do. I'm also there. G, yeah.
Jamuna Kinare.
D ನಲ್ಲಿ ನುಡಿಸಿ, D ನೇ ನುಡಿಸಿ.
Re one of the verses from Barah Masi. So these verses are there for all the 12 months. So this is Savan, about rains, about monsoon. This is popularized by Pandit Kumar Gandhar in a concert called Geet Varsha. It was a theme concert.
This was another composition of mine. It was titled as Gandhi Bazaar Buzz Zanda. And if you go to Gandhi Bazaar, this is how confused you feel. And the beat, if you want to know the technicalities of the beat, it's 11 and a half. It's 11 and a half tune. But anyway, for those who can put leka, please put be happy. Congratulations. Those who could not.
How do you count on the hand?
Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 like it. If you put like a straight away. Sa re ga ma ga re za re ga ma ni da pa ma da 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 pa 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 da ma 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 ga re za. They skip half, 11 half. So, but then in the second cycle, 23 beats it will come correctly on some. I'll don't show it twice. Sa re ga ma ga re za re ga ma ni da pa ma da 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 pa 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 da ma 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 ga re za re ga ma ga re za re ga ma ni da pa ma da 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 pa 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 da ma 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 ga re za.
Not like that.
Next. Okay. Something about my instrument. Well, it's a slide guitar with a little bit of modifications. Let me show it from front face. This is the front side of it. The playing strings are 6, and the magic happens with the slide. The students play like that when they come. You must have heard this kind of instruments sounds during Mickey and Donald animations. Whenever the cat is falling down, there's usually for that. But yeah, means the slide bar is like by one single stroke you can get almost an octave and a half, or even more actually, more than an octave. But yeah, means ultimately it's about the slide, so your ears have to be in tune. Plus the sympathetic strings, they are doing the magic of whichever melody I am playing, they are tuned to that. Right now it's tuned to Chalukiji. Behind that note, can you hear that when I stop that? Can you listen to the slight twang? So whenever you do some alap here, they vibrate in the back very softly, and it creates an additional sustain effect. Yeah, that's a slide guitar. You can call it as a hybrid slide guitar. The philosophy of playing is just a slide. It's a hybrid because of all these additional additions which are basically like designed from the sarod. If you have seen a sarod looks pretty much like this. Only thing is because I used to have a huge stomach. These things are on the left side earlier. And that used to keep on messing with the tuning. My stomach used to change all the tuning in between. So then I said, what to do? Then I went to the guitar maker. I said, boss, help me out. So he said, okay, sir, दूसरी तरफ लगा देंगे. So he put the whole fret, the additional strings on the other side, so that my stomach doesn't mess the tuning. Yeah, stomach can be changed. Guitar tuning can be changed.
Jamuna.
Ah, yes.
Correct.
Flo from Sweden. She plays the sax.
Yeah.
Plays some. Today, we're playing.
Come.
Does she need a chair?
Yeah.
Turn that around and go.
ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ
ಇದು ಆಫ್ ಆಯಿತು. Put this on charge there. I don't think this thing is working. His phone needs to be charged.
I come from West.
I'll give you a mic.